Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe back with the Menace SI Racing Project, back with another video. I finally got on my Seibon carbon fiber wing. Man, this took months and months to finally get it on, but it's all painted up, bolted on and everything. It was a lot of work. I'd say like a day and a half, man, just cutting away at metal of the inside of the trunk, because so much metal in the inside that's in the way. And then I couldn't even directly cut where the bolts actually needed to go. I had to actually cut at an angle, and then just, you know, try to bolt it at an angle, and it was a big problem, and it was really difficult, but it's finally done. Yeah, so let me show you how I prepped the wing to get, in order to get it where I wanted it, and get it even. Hold on, let me show you. They came with these little black plastic I don't know, little straps. Let me show you what they look like. Yeah, so with those little straps, I put them inside the holes of the wing where the bolts would go, and then I put it wherever I wanted on the trunk, and then I tape all those little plastic straps down, and then remove the wing, and then drilled straight into those straps. Let me show you what the wing looks like after it was prepped. Yeah, so after you prep it, you just get it where you want it, line it up, tape it down, pull off the wing, start drilling the holes, and then just the hard part, you open up the trunk, take off the little cover, and then just start cutting away at all the stuff that's, all the metal that's in the way. There's the thing that actually holds the trunk that's really in the way, and you just can't really cut through that because you need that. So you have to just cut at angles and get off what you can in order to bolt, secure all the bolts down. But I'm gonna leave you with a little clip of what the wing looks like on the car, and you leave me a comment and let me know what it looks like. See if you like it. See if it looks okay to you or not. I'm okay with it. Starting to get used to it. I like it. So I'll go ahead and leave you with that clip. Thank you for watching.